Hey guys, it is now 11 o'clock. Today I've got a Renault Clio 08 2008. It's the last of the Mark IIs. I'll show you where I am just now. Our lights come on as normal. If you leave it sitting for a couple of seconds, no crank. While the lights go off, no crank. We'll just tell them it's an immobiliser. However, switch it off, go straight on to crank, it cranks fine. But it kicks me out early, as you can hear. Now, as you can see, data link connector is in on the modus ultra, green light. Powering on, and we will go to previous vehicles, vehicle history. There we go. Clio 1.2 MPI engine. Oh, come back of there, sorry. Is it there? Sorry. Uh, 2008 manual ID comes up with a Clio 3. So it's the last of the Clio 2s, which is a 2007 Clio 2 1.2. Okay, engine. I'll take a wee minty, but it's no communication. So I've checked number 7 on the K line, and I've checked data link 15 as well. So my next thing was checking spark. So no trouble codes. Take this off here, leave it sitting there. It's kind of awkward trying to reach across, but ignition off, ignition on, no spark. So then I went for fuel, no fuel. Checked 5V reference. We've got 5V reference, so the ECU is okay at the minute, as far as I know. I then started checking out the fuses, and this is where I am at the minute. Spaghetti junction. After following the lines down for a wee minty, I got to the point of, where's my light? 2 seconds, I'll go and find my light. There we go. Got to the point of opening up the harness. Now I was told it had a broken wire before, so I followed it down. As you can see, somebody's been in among us. Bits of tape and everything. Followed it down until I got to the open bit of the harness. Sorry, I'm on my phone at the minute. It's not the best ideas, but we're getting there. And as you can see, there's been a red wire mended here, and this is it up here, attached there. So I followed it down. I'm alright yourself. Followed it down to here. Yeah. I'm marking a video. No, you're alright. So I followed it down to there. I'm marking a video. And I started to cut open the wires the harness, sorry.
It's not much room nowadays, is it?
No.
Change days.
And
I can't get nothing there.
not sure if I can pick that up. But you can see the green at my finger. I'll show you better. Alright. It's an 08 Clio, but it's the last of the 07s.
Yeah?
It's the last of the 07s.
Well, that's right. That's what I've got. Mine's red, like.
Alright. And it turns out that I've got a broken wire here.
Check, I think your torch for light.
It's alright. I'll get a light onto that in a minute. So I'm just going to open up the harness. And look what we've got.
I had an old Clio. I then I got my new in jelly, see?
Damaged wire.
And I got